Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you review of Aptagrow health and nutrition drink powder for kids. So this one is 400 gram pack, has MRP of rupees 625, but you get this one from Amazon for rupees 549, and the shelf life of this pack is 15 months, but once you open the pack you consume it within 3 weeks. Yeah, that's it. And this one is recommended for children above 3 years of age. And I have bought chocolate flavor. It is also available in vanilla flavor. It has 37 vital nutrients. The list is long, so I have given it here. One serving is equal to 30 gram, which is 3 spoonful of this powder. So in the pack, we get this scooper, and the moment you open the pack, you get the chocolate aroma. But the color is not that chocolatey. It's like mild, slight brown color. The powder is fine powder. It definitely helps in bridging the gap of essential nutrients in the kids' diet. And the pack also claims that it helps in increase of height and weight. And if you taste it raw, it is chocolatey. And if you have ever had melody, it tastes like melody. Ideally, you are not supposed to have it raw. To make a glass, take 200 ml of lukewarm milk and add 3 heaped spoonful of Aptagrow powder. Just stir and it instantly dissolve. And it will not give you proper chocolate color, but yeah, it has the flavor of chocolate. You can have it with warm milk or cold milk as per your wish. It has nice chocolate flavor that is quite subtle and perfect, not too overpowering but still satisfying. Ingredients: it has skimmed milk powder, sugar, cocoa powder and other nutrients. And you know, Aptagrow is a Europe based company. It's pretty famous one. Overall, it's a very good health drink with pleasant chocolate flavor, and it's ideal for growing children as it contains all the nutrients required for their development. So that was all about it. Hope you find the video useful. Bye bye.